See, now it is getting highlighted. This is the X path for 8-1 guys. This is X path for 8-1. I will repeat this. Everyone take down this X path. They can leave for the day. I'm going to wind up the class now.
Sir, I have a doubt in question number 6, first text box and first button.
We'll see that. Every things you guys can leave for the day. Let me repeat. First 3 questions everyone knows, that is how to get all the text box, how to get all the buttons, and how to get all the checkbox. For that, I think no one will be having any doubts. Only thing everyone done the mistake is here. Everyone using what and. Okay, and okay, everyone, why if I use and it is not going to work? It is not working. See here. Let me use. Okay, for the 4th question, I have given it as all the text box on all the buttons. All the text box on all the buttons, everyone were using and. And means it should take both the condition. Means we are applying 2 conditions. Means here in the one tag only, guys. In the one tag, both the things should be there. And means that is the meaning of and. In the one HTML code only, both the, means is it possible to give like this? Type equals text and type equals button? No, that's the reason it is giving me 0 of 0. So you have to use what? Or here. Then when to use and? I have given one example, that is first text box and first button. Sorry, I want only first text box. In that case, you have to use and. It should be a text box first. Then in the text box, it should have that value equals a. In that time, whenever you want to give any extra condition, then we'll use for what? And. When you use or means take this also, / input @ type equals text. Take that one also. And also I want to take button also. Take / input @ type equals button. Take that also. Take both the elements. I want both the elements. I want both the text box also. I want both the buttons also. Are you guys getting? Yeah, tell.
The last query which we have written for unselected.
Correct. You can write. We'll try that also. I will show you what it is.
Okay. Thank you.
The text box also, button also. Or if images is there, it will take images also. But in this example, this you can write like this also. Yes, correct. You can also write like whatever Vijay Krishna you have written is correct. But only it will applicable only for this example. Means this is like except checkbox you give me all. That is the meaning. We never
what we did in fifth question. No, 6th one. We have used the value, attribute value equals to a.
Hey guys, see here, 1 second. Attribute value is different. Value attribute is different. This value is attribute name, guys. See,
Okay.
Okay, 1 second. Be intentional. I have taken this just to show you that. See here, there are 2 attributes in this line. Okay, in this line which I have highlighted now blue color. In the right hand side, it is been highlighted in the blue color. There are 2 attributes. One is type. This type is attribute. One more is value. Attribute value means for the type attribute, text is the value. For the value attribute, B is the value.
Oh, now I got it.
Okay. Value is one attribute, guys. Okay. When I say attribute value means what? These are the attribute value. Text is the attribute value for type attribute. And B is the attribute value for value attribute. And here checked is one attribute without any value. In real time, we can see like that also. Checked is one attribute without having any value, no value, null. Okay. Let me come back for sixth question. What is the sixth question? I want first text box and first button. First text box and first button. See here, I want both the text box. In how to write both the text box? Whatever is common in both the attribute, which attribute is common, type equals type equals. So I have written in first text box and first button. What is common? Value equals a, value equals a. That is common. So I will write like this: double slash input value equals a. Here now it is giving me first left hand side. You can see it out. See here, text box is getting highlighted. First text box, then first button. See here, first text box, first button. In the right side also it is getting highlighted. HTML code of the first text box and first button is getting highlighted. Next seventh one. I want only checked checkbox. I want only checked checkbox. Either you can use like this or you can use like this. Double slash input. I want only checked checkbox. I want only checked checkbox. Either you can use like this or okay at the rate checked, because that is the only thing which is not there in any other element. Means what is the meaning of this? Previously we are checking what? Okay, first we will execute double slash input. In that it will check for the at the rate type attribute is present or not. Then it will check the type attribute is having checked text is present or not for both the text. Now what it is doing is it will execute input, then it will execute this. It will execute this at the rate type, means it will check that but the attribute is there. Yes, take that. That is the meaning, guys. In the previous example and all, it was checking that attribute is having that value or not. First, it will check that attribute is present or not. Then it will check that attribute is having that value or not. But here, in this example, it will check that attribute itself is present or not. It will check that whether the attribute itself is present or not. Yes, attribute is present in only one element, so it will take that. Which one? That is the C1 checkbox. Here in the left hand side, C1 is getting highlighted. In the right hand side, the HTML code of the C1 checkbox is getting highlighted. Now, last one is I want unselected checkbox. How to write? At the rate type equals. First you have to use at the rate type equals checkbox and okay, not of check. You can also use like this. Means in both the text, first it will take this example. Okay, means double slash input, then it will take that attribute. This at the rate type attribute is having that checkbox value or not. So two matches. Then in the two elements, you give me the one which is not having the checked attribute. Wherever in these two elements, wherever the checked attribute is not present, you give me that. That is the meaning. Practice this. Okay, you have to execute and practice this, then only you will get this. Everyone.
Sir, not in this. I have doubt in that table that you explained before. Can you please repeat once again?
What is what? Which one? Which table?
That table. What is the difference between slash double A and double slash table double slash A?
Means all the links present in the entire web page. See here also. This here. After body there are two A, that is PQ. It will take that also. Then inside table, inside these two TRs, ABCD is there. There are four links, that is ABCD. It will take this four also. Totally 6 it is going to take. Double slash A means all the links present in the entire web page. That is the meaning of double slash A, guys. Then what is the meaning of double slash table? Double slash A means inside table, take all the A. How many are there present inside the table? That is A, B, C, D. So double slash A means, okay, P, Q, A, B, C, D. Double slash table A means A, B, C. Take this screenshot if you want.
Sir, what is the use of that pipeline?
అది కొంటే తిరిగా
Whenever you want to combine two X paths, whenever you want to combine two X paths, then we'll use pipeline symbol. In the previous example, I have not given the one second. Which is that? Which is that?
What is the use of that pipeline?
Whenever you want to combine two X paths, whenever you want to combine two X paths, then we'll use pipeline symbol. In the previous example, I have not given the one second. Which is that? I don't know why. Okay. Given in the previous example, I have not given it for how to write the X path. I have not told you how to write the X path for AD and BC. Now by using pipeline symbol, you can write. First you write the X path means two X paths, we are going to combine it. X path for A also, X path for B also. Sorry, D also. Similarly for BC, write an X path for B, then put a pipeline symbol, write an X path for C also. I have given one question also, how to get all the links and all the images. Double slash A, pipeline symbol, double slash IA. Are you guys getting?